Tooth profile wear. 1. If a rotary kiln runs in one position, for a long period of time, the gear teeth will develop a wear pattern, based on this position. When the rotary kiln shifts to a new axial position, the gear also changes its position relative to the pinion, and a new wear pattern begins. If the existing pattern is severe, this will create a greatly reduced contact area resulting in extremely high pressures. In many cases this extreme pressure will be high enough to cause the lubrication to squeeze out and become ineffective. This leads to high sliding friction and aggressive wear of the tooth profile. 2. The operator may see a high surge in the drive motor amps for the period of time it takes to wear, so the load is again spread across the entire width. During this process, the portion of the tooth experiencing the high stresses may also experience spalling and cracking. As a result of this aggressive wear, the lubricant will be contaminated with metal fragments and shavings, creating a high potential for increases in wear on other areas of the teeth.